Alright guys, check this one out. This is a custom fitted grill we just had done for a customer. It's a set, top and bottom. You're looking at the top teeth there with the fangs. You got the canine fangs on top, canine fangs at the bottom. You're looking at a 10 top and a 10 bottom teeth. This is solid 925 sterling silver with the diamond cuts and the diamond dust, which gives it that maximum shine. Check that out. Beautiful grill set, handmade from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. So it's a perfect fit, guys. Now, if you're looking to get something like this, blingcartel.com, guys. Get grilled up. You get a custom fitted grill designed to fit you perfectly. Check that out. Well, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.